Hello and Namaste. Welcome to the tutorial video of CallXon. For executives, you can log in using your executive account. Then you can see a dashboard. Total follow-up list can be viewed from here. Also, you can select the date. To view remaining calls, click on remaining calls. And to view rejected calls, click on rejected calls. You can see the follow-ups list and assigned loans list here. Down here we can see the bar graph of declined, successful and pending calls up till now. Also we can view the date-wise calls. After clicking on My Follow-ups, you can see the pending follow-up list. You can search the customers from here. You can proceed the call by clicking on the call icon. After proceeding, ask the given questions that are assigned to you and select the answers given by the customers. Submit the form after you rate and give appropriate remarks to the customers according to their behavior. These are all the things that you need to know if you are an executive. Thank you.